Hello guys, welcome to Robokart.com. Until this point, we have learned many different projects of LED, but today we will see another one by making a 10 LED chaser circuit using IC4017 and IC555. As you guys saw in a previous video what IC555 is, we will today make a circuit out of it as its application. We will today use IC555 as a stable multivibrator and IC4017 as a decade counter circuit, which is also LED drivers for our oscillator pulse created by IC555. So, let us look at the components that we need for this project. They are breadboard, jumper wires, 9V battery and its connector, IC555, IC4017, 2 resistors of 47K, 1 capacitor of 10 microfarad, 10 LEDs of your color choice, and that's it. So let's get going. Take your breadboard, place your IC555 on it. Then place IC4017 on your breadboard. Now, connect your capacitor to IC555 like we did. Make sure you connect your positive side to the pin number 2 and negative side to pin number 1. Now, take your resistor and connect it between pin 6 and pin 7 of IC555. Take your resistor and connect it between your bus drive and the first resistor. Remember that the bus drive will become our VCC. Now take 10 LEDs of your color choice and connect them between the bus drive and the terminal stripe like we did. Now connect your first half of the stripe to the second half. Note that this bus stripe is our ground. Now connect your pin 6 to pin 2. Also connect your pin 1 of IC555 to the ground. Connect your pin 8 and pin 4 to your VCC separately. Connect your pin 3 of IC555 to your IC4017's pin 40. Now connect your pin 16 and pin 12 of IC4017 to our positive supply. Connect pin 15, pin 8 and pin 13 to our negative supply. Now let's get back to the connections of the LED. Remember, the positive terminal of the LEDs would be connected to the respective pins of IC4017. So, the first LED would be connected to the third pin of 4017. The second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th LED would be connected to the pins of IC4017, that is the pin number 2, 4, 7, 10, 1, 5, 6, 9, 11. So after making the connections of all the 10 LED to the pins of IC4017, our connections are complete. Connect the battery and let's start with it. As you can see in the output, the LEDs are chasing each other one by one. So isn't it fun? We can make many more interesting projects using the same concept. So make more new projects and let us know. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and bye bye.